What's this, Ben?
Here she is. Look at all the JDM writing on the windshield. So dirty.
Okay, so yeah, me and Adam bought Ben a car for 10K.
Oh, the interior is terrible.
Do it.
Probably just sit down, probably have to start this. Open the valve, see if the valve works.
Or you want to explain what's going on?
Ben's got to explain.
Ben, explain what's happening. Whose car? Why?
This is my new car. I sold the Corolla. Yeah. Doesn't run.
What's new?
Don't pump the gas there.
Why does it sound so weird? It's so quiet.
Yeah, it's gonna come off pretty quick. Right?
Yeah.
Ben's got straight pipe this ASAP, right, Jason? Oh, he's getting into the bozo.
I'll check the oil first though, eh?
Yeah.
Just in case?
Yeah, let's see this long ass 4AG, man.
Whoa. Are those stock?
Yeah.
Supposed to have footstrap?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, good. It is a good battery terminal. I was expecting it to be the...
The little Japanese one?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1G.
1G.
Long ass 4AG. Wow.
Oh, it's got sport suspension.
What do you think, Ben?
I'm excited. Thanks for the car, you guys.
Yeah, I told him we got him a car for 10K. Surprise.
Oh, yeah, definitely. That's on the budget for sure.
We should put this hose on and then drive it.
Alright, so we figured out the problem why Ben's car wasn't idling. Had a bad vacuum line. So, swapping her out real quick and then we're going to take it for a fully legal, fully covered and insured test drive. Right, Ben?
Yeah.
Alright.
That sounds good.
Your passenger side fender is a bit crust, but...
This one?
Yeah.
Looks like Bondo.
Put it on, bro!
Oh,
And you want me to wipe this paint off the windshield?
no, it's good.
Sure?
I like it.
You sure you don't want me to drag it off?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Alright.
Decent mod.
Is that kinked really bad?
Yeah.
Didn't it start without it on there?
I'm just gonna try it.
Yeah. Give it a test.
Badass thing.
Let's get the hand cut off real quick.
Yeah.
What do you think, Adam?
But what?
Holy
car?
fuck, eh?
Should I try to fuck up the thing?
Oh, I think it's like permanently popped or something.
Is this doing anything?
Now the hood's not closing?
Yeah, well the cable's like, I pulled it when it was already popped. I think it's like
Stretched?
stuck in pulled version.
Oh.
Fucker, man.
What's that?
I came over Carlos. Hey, you can put on the video, man.
A 1990 GX81 Mark II.
Just brought it in from Japan.
Yeah, I bought it from B-Pro. The import papers say that I'm the importer though. It's got 56,000 K on it. Yeah, my new daily manual, factory manual.
What's the
1G?
plans, man?
Yeah. Lower it more. Luckily it already has coilovers on it. Long chance. I have 15s for it. Well, I don't know, I might get the 14s. Just daily. I don't know. I don't really want to do anything other than
Keep it reliable.
yeah.
Straight pipe.
Yeah, straight pipe. It's kind of the problem with the Corolla, but
That's alright.
yeah. 6 cylinders are quieter than 4 cylinders.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, test drive time or what?
Test drive time.
Let's give her. Gonna look in the trunk really quick before we go for a test drive. Oh,
Holy fuck, that was aggressive. The trunk. Holy fuck, it's big. You could fit like 3 bodies in here.
Dude, you should make like a swimming pool in the back.
Yeah, no, that's a sick idea.
Dude,
fucking
I know.
idiot.
Lay a tarp.
What? Oh, the spares are there.
Wow, that's crazy. You could sleep back there.
You could. It's a camper. Look at that. That's pretty mint. At least you're missing that piece.
Let's check the glove box. Anything in the glove box?
I was expecting more like cool Japanese stuff. Didn't even make a sound when I turned it.
I know. That's alright.
What's this?
What's what? It's mod, man.
Nice. Into it.
Alright, let's see her.
You're into it? Yeah. Into it?
Oh, he's got to lock
it's
down,
fucking-
man.
Is it?
Interior looks so nice.
Ben, are you gonna do your first skid in your car?
Oh, we should go to the burnout pad.
That's
Do you want to do that while it's running like it is? Or do you want to like warm it up first?
Yeah, I'll warm it up.
Wait, let's look in this though.
Nothing in there. There's nothing in any of these.
It's fully emptied out, eh?
Yeah, why did they do that?
This is
Oh,
so-
it was in a dealership, I think.
So clean.
Yeah, that's all.
Alright, Ben's first drive in his new car.
I thought it said it had a valve exhaust on the app.
Do something cool, Ben.
No, no peer pressure. Why does it go? That felt nice, probably because it's so long.
Yeah. I wonder if it's LSD.
We'll test it on the pad,
We're gonna
man.
find out.
Yeah, true.
Alright, pull her on the pad.
See, if honestly, if you have this exhaust on, you can just skid to everywhere. Because
Yeah.
no one will hear it.
Alright, Ben, let's see this reverse entry into the driveway.
Test the e-brake.
Yeah, see if the e-brake works.
Holy fuck, really going into it. Decent first
That was
entry.
alright. Locked up pretty good.
That was a decent first entry.
Not bad.
That's okay.
Block the front wheels, man?
Maybe just wait it out.
Ooh.
Do it again. But then he's coming out to be mad. He's like, no, no, no. Hello, 1G.
That's darker than my dick, man.
You got a dark dick.
True.
Okay. I ain't worry about nothing. I ain't worry about nada. I'm sending pick after pick. I'ma get you fired. Gonna put in hours. What was that? You see my body. I know you're always. I know Noah's engine is blown. And maybe it is karma.
And my door cards are moldy. And my car looks like a shit.
But you ain't gotta go to work. Woo! Whoa! Yeah! Shut up, man. Stop. Put this shit away. That's the next video.
What? I'm just looking at something.
I don't care.
No what?
Look at the next video. This is this video.
Do you want me to film?
Yeah.
Okay, 3 seconds.
1, 2, 3,
Uno, dos, tres,
4,
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How's it looking over there, Ben? Bad?
Stock. Also undercoated.
Should we cut your exhaust off right now? Cut the exhaust. Cut the exhaust. Cut the exhaust.
Time, lad.
Cut it, Ben. Cut it. You have to cut it.
Fuck, look at these control arms.
Jesus, man. This thing looks like it was underwater.
It does. I hate when they undercoat it. Why would they do that? Look how crusty it was before they did that,
Fucking
though.
titty shit. Oh.
Well, Just lower it enough so you can never see under the car.
Exactly.
Time.
I don't feel bad about wrecking it now.
Okay.
Like, did kind of spend a lot of money on this. It kind of sucks. But
Well, that's all right.
Definitely could have bought the local one for half the price that is rusty.
yeah, but it wasn't as cool. And then it
That
was
is
1G.
facts. Yeah, there's 1G.
All right, Ben, cut them
No,
up.
no.
Oh, I guess it's 1G FE.
Yeah.
It's 1G.
Single.
Ben, chop it right here, bro.
No.
Okay.
Past inspection first.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Is Joel gonna pass your car?
Yes.
Decent.
Thank you, Joel. We love you.
Yes. What are you doing right now, Ben?
Trying to find a lug nut that'll fit, so I can, or a lug nut socket that will fit, so I can put my new wheels on.
What wheels are you putting on?
5-bolt long champs.
You got lips coming for those, right?
Yeah, I ordered them from Pioneer already.
Look at that.
What'd you get? 4.5s or
4.5s and then 4s.
Wait, what are these doing?
this car, obviously?
For
Because
now.
you measured the lips for the other 32, didn't you?
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be more aggressive if you put them on this car though?
I could do like 5s if I put them on this car probably.
Well, you fucked that one up, hey?
You could probably change it. I
I'm gonna put these on this car until I get new wheels for this car.
You should get Mark
That makes
1s for this car.
That'd be cool.
Like, chunky ones.
It's hard to find good spec 14 ones though.
What about those ones? Didn't you
Isn't
just
there some
send?
good ones? Those are 4x114.
Oh.
Isn't there good ones in the container?
Yeah. 15 by 10s.
New container coming soon.
New container coming
_ Tenoshi.
Facts. B.
High five. Ah! Fuck!
Ben blowing you.
Look at my fingies. Look how white they are.
Whoa, what's wrong with you?
I'm cold.
You're dying.
Dude, you look dead, man. Look at my hands are like,
Ben's are green.
dude, dude, your shit looks glow in the dark on the, get some blood in there, man. Fucking shake your hands around.
It's disgusting.
You're disgusting, man.
That's Noah's fault. No. Oh.
Yeah, I think it'll work. I think so. I don't know if it's gonna come out now, but
Triple lug. How bum would that be?
I think it's in there. Ah, scary moment. Did it work?
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, decent. Might have to hammer it in for every single one.
Yeah, I don't want to risk.
Yeah. Sorry, I got your hand up early. Fuck. I'll wash all your parts tomorrow. All your tools.
Don't forget the balls.
What the fuck?
Can you imagine saying that to your girlfriend? Don't forget the balls. Like, fuck off. You deserve no pee-pee touching.
Man, watch the thumb, dude. No, wait 10 minutes.
so cold I can't.
Ooh, good move. Oh, so ugly.
Fuck off.
Sorry. Did you get it up?
It's going.
Nice.
You know, while the legend has it, I can piss a quarter mile.
Dude, look.
Whoa.
Want to try?
My whole car's gonna fall apart if you spray on my
Hey, wait. Man, my mom's like, you have to get a chicken pox shot. Chicken pox shot. And I was just like,
For what
I don't have
reason?
pox.
You've never had that before?
No.
Why not?
Because my mom tried to get me to catch the chicken pox, but I couldn't. Because I'm
Oh, 'cause
fucking
you have to-
immune,
You have to
dude.
get it first, right?
Yeah, and then you're immune to it. But I didn't have it, so now she's like, you have to get a blood. I'm like, I'm not getting a fucking blood test.
Wait,
Because then they stick that big ass needle in your arm,
Yeah.
and she's like, and then takes all the blood out of your body. Why is this so?
Dude, if you get the coronavirus and then you survive, can you get it again, or do you become?
Yeah, someone got it twice, man.
Oh, so you're fucked then.
You're
There's-
fucking
there's
fucked.
no surviving that, eh?
You're absolutely caught. But yeah, she's like, you need to get a blood test, and then they're gonna be like, pulling out all my blood, and they're gonna like fucking drink it or something. Like, drink his blood.
Are we going all the way down?
Well, Ben's hands are dead. No Hefsons,
Before
bro.
the car's even registered, we're gonna slam it.
Yeah, it's kind of stupid, eh? Aren't you able to raise it up and put the wheels back on?
Wow, that looks really good filaments, Ben. Not.
Fuck.
I don't even think I could fit much wider than that.
Extend your LCAs.
Yeah.
Well, no, it will go down like.
How's your camera on top?
It's not maxed.
No.
We need to max it right now.
Yep.
If you're not maxing your
You wanna pull the lock on this?
Which one put two on?
Yeah.
One back, one front.
What do you wanna do, Ben?
The side?
Maxing out the camera in the front?
Why did none of these fit?
Max low?
Yeah.
Decent. Almost there?
They seem like they're like pretty new. Like they're
really?
pretty nicely, but they were like all the way maxed up. So.
Camera's been maxed out.
Slam has been maxed out.
No doubt. 5 pound champs.
Wait, we need to do a giveaway for this video too.
Oh yeah. Woo!
That was just the coil, like. Settling.
I think the hoist is stuck.
No, it's
down
out.
on the side.
Oh, what? They're poo specs.
It's not that low.
Yeah. Looks like we're cutting the coil a little bit.
Well, roll it off the.
Looks like we're cutting the coil.
Holy shit, man! Look at this fucking thing you made, man. What? I think that's from your oil pan. There's like a fucking hole in the ground.
Wait, what happened?
Oh, hey.
Oh, alright, put it on the lift.
It's your boy Pizza.
The what? The light is hectic.
Wow, Ben.
Oh yeah, Ben.
Assassination.
Real quick. We're doing this new thing where we give away something in every video.
Every video?
But they have to comment they have to answer a question to be entered in the giveaway.
Alright.
So what's the question?
Favorite. You know those markers when you can write and it smells?
Yeah.
Yeah, favorite flavor of smelly marker.
Favorite scent? Flavor?
Yeah.
What do they win?
You win a sticker.
Which
Don't know
one?
what sticker it's gonna be.
True. We'll
We're
figure it
gonna
out.
pull it out of our butthole. Worldwide shipping will ship to you for free. Just make sure you comment, leave your Instagram handle so we can contact you. Make sure you also like this video and you're subscribed because we'll fucking check. And
Yeah,
then yeah,
so-
so enter, comment your favorite smell flavor of smelly marker,
Yeah.
and we'll pick a winner. If you've never smelled those, just put your favorite smell down, and we'll pick a winner. Make sure you like the video, and you subscribe. And follow Ben on Instagram to look at this car at BenR32
Yeah.
because he has cool shit.
I didn't take any pictures of this car yet. That's okay.
That's okay.
Decent.
Let Ben close it out with his dead fingers.
Yeah, what the hell's going on,
I
Ben?
don't know.
Ben, you're dying.
These are like Shrek fingers.
Alright, let's do
Feel nothing.